guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rebecca. Welcome to Lala Hair and Glow. If this is your first time seeing my beautiful face, baby, where have you been? Because in this my page, it is my channel, I teach how to make hair, and I also teach or show you guys how to do skincare, and when to do skincare. So if it looks like something you are interested in, please like, follow and subscribe, and please comment. Let me know what kind of videos you like me to be putting out. So in today's video, I'll be doing a review for BB Clear. Yay! BB Clear. So this is my Holy Grail body cream. This cream, I'll be making a review of this BB Clear. Trust me, this cream is beautiful for fair skin. This is the AHA BB Clear Lightning Clear Care. It has vitamin C. See, it has natural products. It doesn't have hydroquinone, the one that can, you understand, the one that can make your skin bad. This has a very natural ingredient that I can use for your skin to achieve that smooth, glowy skin. So this has vitamin C, and it's a 5-in-1. It says skin respectful lotion, be beautiful and clear. It does what it says. Anti-dark spots, tone corrector, anti-aging, anti-stretch mark, skin toning and firming. I love me anti-stretch mark. I love me skin toning and firming. So it says at the back, BB Clear combines the pigmenting plant-based ingredients with exfoliating efficiency of fruity acids. BB Clear improves the appearance of skin and helps repairing dark spots and sun damage. So if you have a sun damage, go for this. For younger looking, silky skin, BB Clear lightens your skin while revitalizes and makes it smooth and beautiful radiant. Adapted to all skin types. So if you have a dry skin, or a combination skin, or an oily skin, this cream is for you. Direction: use once or twice daily. So this cream, you have to get the original one. I got this at the mall because I don't believe in getting it by the roadside. And it has a AHA. Is it AHA? I don't know how to pronounce that. AHA fruit care. I'm trying to look for the ingredients. They didn't write the ingredients, but with what I can see, it does exactly what it says. And guys, if you've not watched my Nivea cream review, I mix this with Nivea and it gives me the most amazing skin ever. I mix this with Nivea. You can use it alone if you want, but me mixing it with Nivea is because Nivea has its own benefits. This cream would give you everything you need for light skinned. It works gradually, and if you have like dark spots or spots that you feel like it's not going away, use this cream. This cream is so beautiful, especially with the vitamin C serum. But you need to know that when you are using cream like this, the sun, I can't pronounce or limits your sun exposure. So it won't just be in the sun all day and expect this to work. No, it doesn't work that way. You need to put in the effort. You need to use sunscreen, or you need to, limit how much sun your body receives. So you have to learn how to do that. And if you combine that, at least in a month or less, you will start seeing results on your skin. It gives your skin even so and freshness that you deserve. So the only thing I don't like about this cream is that they didn't write the ingredients. But I'm trusting that since it has vitamin C, it has AHA, and other beautiful ingredients, I'm sure it's gonna be a good cream. So that will be all for my review. If you want another review on my channel, please drop it in the comment section. I won't buy it now. and I'm going to answer everything you ask me to do. So just put it there and say this is what you want me to do, and of course I'm going to do that. If you want me to review any skin products, please put it in the comment section below. If this video was helpful for you in any kind, please like this video, subscribe, and turn on the post notification button so you will not miss any video I upload. How about now? At least watch this video and share to your family and friends. There are a lot of things I do on my video, my hair making, my wig making especially, and my skincare. Guys, please support your girl, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye. Thank you.